Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a sour cherry Filo pastry for you. Let's get started. Powdered biscuits. Melted butter. Mix a little. Put into the round mold. Press it to the bottom of the mold. Leave it aside until later. Filo dough. Apply butter on them. Shape them like I did. Arrange them in the mold. Let's watch another one together. Do it for the all sheets. Apply more butter on them. Pre-bake in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Mascarpone cheese. Powdered sugar. Mix and whisk it completely. Egg. Continue stirring. Milk. Lime juice. Vanilla. Pour on them into the mold. Cremfil. Add some sour cherries and strawberries. Bake for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's all for today. Enjoy your fresh dessert. Thank you for watching and happy baking.